The probe into violence and riots in Nagpur on Monday over the Aurangzeb tomb row has intensified. Police have arrested a man whom they claim to be a key accused in inciting violence. Fahim Khan, a local leader who contested against Nitin Gadkari in 2024 general elections, has been taken into custody. As per the FIR, Fahim is accused of delivering an inflammatory speech and gathering 50-60 people at his residence. A total of 6 FIRs have been registered and over 45 people have been arrested in connection to the riots that took place on Monday. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has assured strictest of actions against those who attack the police, warning of digging them from their graves if need be.
ये नजर आता है कि कुछ कंस्पायर किसी ने तो किया है कि ऐसा इंसिडेंट यहाँ पे हुआ है तो आप भी कुछ कीजिए। इस तरह का भी हमारी जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये सारी चीज़ें आ रही हैं सामने। हमारे पास में जो नाम है सब नागपुर के हैं। एक तो ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है उसमें, और अगर इन्होंने कंस्पायर करके एक जगह पे आए और सुबह के इंसिडेंट के बाद में फिर ये लोग सब मिले हैं, तो वही जैसे मैंने बताया कि इसमें जो वो लिंक है कैसे इंफॉर्मेशन गई, अगर ये बाहर से लोग आए, वही चीज़ हम देख रहे हैं। इसमें कुछ है, इसमें जो एंगल इस तरह का नज़र आ रहा है जो कि मैं अभी मीडिया के सामने नहीं बता सकता, बट वो एंगल एस्टेब्लिश इसमें हो रहा है और वो हम लोग कर रहे हैं। इसमें जो है हमारे डीसीपी जो वो सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं। अलग अलग पुलिस स्टेशंस में जो ऑफिसर्स हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर्स, वो अलग अलग हैं क्योंकि 3 पुलिस स्टेशन में, एक में 3 FIR दर्ज हुए, एक में 2 है और एक में 1 दर्ज हुई है। तो इसमें हर एक पुलिस स्टेशन में अलग अलग इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर्स हैं क्योंकि सीनियर ऑफिसर सब इन चीज़ों को सुपरवाइज कर रहे हैं।
त्यांनी पोलिसांवर हल्ला केलेला आहे, त्यांना कबरीतने खोदून काढू, सोडणार नाही। बाकी सगळ्या गोष्टी क्षम्य आहेत, पण पोलिसांवर हल्ला हा क्षम्य नाही। त्यामुळे त्यांच्यावर जी स्ट्रिक्टेस्ट कारवाई आहे ती कारवाई करून विविक्षित वेळेमध्ये त्यांच्यावर ही सगळी कारवाई केली जाईल। पण आता नागपूर शांत आहे।
Meanwhile, in a shocking revelation in the same violence case, the FIR claims that the accused molested an on-duty female police officer who was part of the Rapid Control Police Squad. As per the FIR, the mob also made obscene gestures and comments toward other female officers present. However, the police say that they are investigating the alleged incident and action will be taken accordingly. Meanwhile, politics over riots continues unabated. RSS has condemned the violence, saying that Aurangzeb is irrelevant in present times and there should not be friction because of him. And the Mahavikas Aghadi has lashed on to RSS comments, slamming the BJP for intentionally fueling the fire.
See, any type of violence is not good to the health of the society, and I think police are have taken the cognizance of it, and so I think they will go into the details, and that's the point.
Is Aurangzeb relevant today? Do you think the tomb should be moved?
I think not relevant.
अगर आरएसएस ये मानती है कि औरंगजेब का मुद्दा इररेलेवेंट है, तो ऐसे ही वो सारे उनके भाजपा के जो नेता है उनको बता दे वो। और हम तो यही मानते हैं कि औरंगजेब का मुद्दा हो ही नहीं सकता है। अगर मुद्दा है, कबर का मुद्दा है, तो एक दिन में प्रधानमंत्री महोदय निकाल सकते हैं। 2 दिन पहले भी स्वयं मुख्यमंत्री महोदय गए थे दिल्ली में, मिले थे प्रधानमंत्री महोदय से। क्या उन्होंने ये विषय उनसे बात की, चर्चा की? लेकिन सिर्फ राजनीति और जो खुद की असफलता है उसी को छुपाने के लिए इसी बात पे जा रहे हैं।
These additional 9 people have been identified through the CCTV footages that the police have, captured since from all the locations as of yet. They claim that in fact there are 7 minors and henceforth they have not been arrested, but their statements have been recorded and they are still under detention of the police to record further statement and provide details of, the guidance that they had got it from the group of people and where they had got all the stones to pelt it on the doors of people or the break down the cars as well. Similarly, they had also done stone pelting on the cops, and henceforth the cops are also investigating it from the minors, that how their involvement happened. And similarly, the rest, those have been arrested by far. They also come from the same community wherein the 51 people come from. In fact, in the FIR, more than 200 to 300 unknown people have also been registered. Their names have not come before us, but The cops say that through those CCTVs they are identifying more people, but they also claim that all of these people are not localites of Nagpur or from the central Nagpur where the entire incident of violence took place. They have come from different places, and henceforth they are also trying to find out this angle of investigation, whether it was a pre-planned event to call people from certain locations and then do the stone pelting and the violence on certain community.